ready to unlock direct communication with property owners and supercharge your outreach, all within Batchleads. Let's dive into how you can send personalized messages to property owners in Batch, directly from Batchleads. First, navigate to your property list in Batchleads here. You'll select the properties whose owners you want to message. You can choose all of them at once or select specific ones based on your campaign needs. Once your properties are selected, you'll see the option to message owners. Click on this to open the messaging composer. This is where the magic happens. Batchleads allows you to craft both email and text messages for maximum impact. Personalization is key. Use the dynamic fields provided, like owner name and property address, to make each message feel tailor-made. You can write your compelling message. Here, consider what would resonate most with a property owner. A circumflex euros. Perhaps highlighting a specific property feature or offering an initial valuation. Batchleads also lets you save your effective messages as templates for future use, saving you valuable time. After crafting your message, simply hit send. Batchleads will then dispatch your message to each selected property owner. What's even better is that you can track the status of your sent messages right within Batchleads, seeing who has received, opened, or even responded to your communication. This direct line of communication is crucial for nurturing relationships and identifying potential deals by efficiently managing your outreach and responses through Batchleads. You're setting yourself up for greater success in connecting with property owners and closing more opportunities.